Hey guys, Chad from CR Racing here. Today we're going to install this bumper kit on this 155 Boost. And if you come over here, I'll just show you guys. This is our product that we have here. It's made out of 6061 aluminum. It's super strong grab handle. If you want to tow with it or anything, it's capable of pulling another sled out if you have to. So the kit comes with the 3/16 stainless steel Abdel rivets and stainless steel screws. You need to use a little bit of blue Loctite on all the screws. They are stainless steel nuts. You need a 5/32 Allen key and a 3mm Allen key, 3/8 wrench, and a 25 T25 Torx, and a 3/16 drill bit. And if you have an air riveter, it'd be really handy because these rivets are really hard to pull with a hand one. Also, you'll need a heat gun to remove the reflectors and decals. Okay, so we're going to remove the stock bumper here. Right now we're going to remove these decals right now with the heat gun. What I do is I just heat the inside of the aluminum up. Once the inside of the tunnel starts to get warm enough, it just peels off by itself. And it doesn't leave any glue residue on the tunnel at all. Some blue Loctite on them. You want to make sure that you don't get any blue Loctite on the paint, because sometimes it will stain it.